Ako talaga yung mahilig mag-scrutinize ng budget, and I'll see to it na yung intended na budget for certain projects here in Cebu, yung big infra, big ticket projects, would be protected. Hindi ito yung ma-realign to some unnecessary mga infrastructure projects.
Last po on my end, gano'n po kayo kumpiyansa na outside, maliban sa Metro Manila, yung mga suporta ng mga taga-Cebu ay mapupunta sa senatorial slate ng Alyansa?
Yeah, hopefully. Kasi nga, ako, I for one, and this is shared by many Alyansa senators and this, that we should really strengthen the local government units in terms of funding, in terms of budget. Kaya nga ako, I'm very appreciative sa Executive Order 82, signed and issued by President Marcos, enhancing and strengthening the regional development councils. But that's just a first step. We should go down further to the provincial, city, municipal, and even barangay development councils para yung kanilang mga input sa national and local development makarating sa taas. Kasi our studies, yung research sa body, would indicate na only 20 to 25% of the output ng local development councils, ng mga local development, ang na-adapt sa national budget. Too small. So gusto namin i-enhance pa para ma-empower yung ating mga local governments. Yung GDP natin maganda, inflation is down, tapos unemployment is down, although mayroong slight increase sa January, but still down. So let's continue supporting the administration through the senatorial candidates ng Alyansa para yung policy direction hindi mabago.